Hello, everybody. Hi, my name is Shamari Clark. I'm here with Crypto Blockchain News Channel. My name is Shamari Clark. I'm a Forex trader and active investor. Active trader and investor. If you would like to sort of get to know me a little or at least see some of my work, you could see me at forexfactory.com. FOREX Type my name Shamari and SHOMARI in the search, and you'll see some of my trades and all my stuff. Okay, so got rid of that. Now, guys, so here we are. It is now 5:40 in the morning, actually, here in South Beach. I wasn't actually going to even make a video tonight at all, but just actually, as you probably know, the markets crashed yesterday, and so I was like, well, time to make some money, baby. And so I'm here just doing a little something, just taking down some yen. You know what I mean? Blag out. Actually, I'm long yen, short everything else, right? Here's my little trend scanner, right? Shows me what the markets are doing. Look at everything red, which means yen is long, right? These are trading pairs, just like you have in the crypto world, but this is actually real money. And the yen is long as hell. In other words, it's destroying all of those. So it was kind of a no-brainer. I knew it would be, so I was like, screw this. I'm just going to make some money tonight doing this. And since I'm awake, I thought, though, that I would come back here and Shmori, man, why are you showing us all your trades, man? Huh? You showing off, dog? I'm not showing off. I know, but I'm not showing off, guys. It's just that I want you to know, when you're listening to me, like, I am a trader. Like, I am a active trader. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? I'm not sort of a YouTuber. First of all, I'm not going to be ever a YouTuber, so you can screw all that. But just, I'm not like a YouTuber, like someone who, I don't know, it just feels like on YouTube, people are using it sort of as a way to become famous or something and to make money and live their lives. Like, no, I live a life. I just happen to be like, I'm just going to come on YouTube. Do you see what I'm saying? There's a difference, I think. I mean, if that makes any sense. So, I'm so like, Shmori, man, why always tell everyone to go to Forex Factory? Because to prove to you, it's not that I'm bragging to you. I'm trying to prove to you. You deserve to know that someone who's talking about money and look, if someone tells my mom or my sister what to do about money, I'm going to make sure that at least that dude knows something. He's not just some, I don't know, Joe Schmo dude, right? You know what I mean? Just some, I don't know what, but just, he has to actually know something. And so that's why I'm showing you. It's not to brag and you're just showing off all your money. No, guy. It's to prove to you so you can come and get some of this with me. Come get some. Let's get it together. That's the whole point of this whole YouTube thing I want to do right now, right? It's not to be a YouTuber, but it's for us all to make money together as a, not a team, but you know what I mean, but just as a community. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this tonight, though, is, again, just because I know that the markets have been getting thrashed again today, and I just want to reiterate what I've already said. So it's really just going to be a repetition of the last video, but just it bears repeating, people. Tonight, let's go to the Carnage. Here's the Carnage. So tonight, guys, right, we're back into the murder. Look, okay? I told you, South Korea banned all those foreigners from their country, right? All those foreigners had to take their money and leave, right? They're not allowed to trade on South Korean exchanges anymore. So just like you, just like you, it takes time for them to get their money back. I don't know about you, but I'm here in America, wherever country you're in, I don't know, but here in America, we have a thing called Coinbase. And Coinbase, it takes me about 2 to 3 days for my money to get from my bank account to my Coinbase account, to get to my hardware wallet or USD wallet. Anyway, just to get to the exchange. And so that's what's happening. On the 30th of last month, Korea said, all of you have to go. So now let's just do some math. Actually, let's do some math for real, though. I wonder if you guys can see this. I'm just going to call up a calendar. Do you see that? Probably not. Let's have the browser thing on. Anyway, I'll just say it to you with my voice. So the 30th was last Tuesday. So let's say people started moving their money Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Friday, their money gets there. Saturday and Sunday is a holiday, which is the 4th, the 3rd, and the 4th. And then now today, the 5th, would be their first day to begin to transfer money out of out of their countries into some other exchange in some other country. So let's just assume another 3 days, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so the 7th. So by the 8th, on Thursday, I believe, we will begin to see the markets turn. Now, obviously, there's probably a lot of people who didn't get that memo. So they probably didn't discover, like there's a lot of people who work 9-to-5 jobs, blah, blah, blah. They don't check their accounts daily. So they probably just discovered this Saturday or Sunday. And so they're just moving their money starting today, Monday, right? And so their money's not going to be in until next Monday, the 12th. So by next Monday, the 12th, so that should account for the late, the people who were late taking their, moving their money. By next Monday, the 12th, we should begin to see prices turning sharply back to the upside. And, so that's why, guys, I've said this before, I've said it 100 times, like, this is a buying opportunity, okay? Buying opportunity. I used to have a friend, okay, and she used to tell me, sometimes, Shamari, things are not happening to you, they're happening for you. This crash that's happening in South Korea right now, or to the markets, but because of South Korea, it's not happening to you. It's happening for you. If there's anything you missed out there, any currency you wanted to get, now's the time, because it's a blessing. It's artificially low prices thanks to what the government did. The prices aren't going to be like this again, low like this again, like artificially. You know what I mean? No other country has 20% of the purchasing power in the markets to do this. So take advantage now. Buy. Anything you wanted to get and that you missed it, buy it, get it. Listen, guys, and remember also, so you're like, but fuck, but damn, dog, my accounts are down, blah, blah, blah. So what? This is a long-term buy, guys. Like, if you're looking at this cryptocurrency stuff to, just checking out my accounts. If you're looking at this cryptocurrency stuff to pay your bills, like on a monthly, like, no, this is an investment, right? If you want to trade, like this kind of stuff right here, like, boom, here, I'm trading, right? I got in last night, sold here. Got in tonight, I'll probably sell down here later. Like, that's trading. Okay, but this cryptocurrency stuff, you have to invest in. I'm a Generation Xer. I'm a 44-year-old man. I know I look young. Oh, you're 44. Yep, I'm 44, buddy. And April 7th, 1974. And I remember the dot-com bubble. I remember the dot-com boom. And that's what we're going through right now, Internet 2.0. Wow. You remember the dot-com bubble? If you're a baby boomer or you're a Generation Xer, you remember that. You remember that, right? And as a Generation Xer, I was just in college, so I didn't get to participate in that, right? You remember your dad and his buddies just in the backyard grilling steaks, high-fiving each other about, this and that stock they had, right? They couldn't go wrong, right? They just felt like geniuses, right? They just felt like geniuses. Like, yes, I've got this and this and this. You know, hey, daddy, what's a server? Fuck a server. I don't know what a server is, but Cisco makes them, and they're making me money, right? Like, it was just a frenzy. It was crazy, right? Excuse the language, everybody. But yeah, it was crazy. And, that's what we're about to go through right now. That is exactly the scenario that we're about to go through. You young people out there, in your 20s, millennials, whatever you are, I know you've never experienced it. So you're not understanding. And so I'm talking to you in particular for this little portion right here. In particular, believe me, guys, I don't care. You got your little job at your little, I don't know, restaurant or whatever while you're going through college. Look, buy cryptocurrency. Buy. You're going to be happy. If someone had told me at 18, because I've always worked my whole life, like I've worked actually every summer, since I was 12 years old, actually. I used to pick up golf balls at this country club by my house. And they'd pay us like $5 for each bucket of golf balls we brought in. That was how I'd get my, me and my buddies would get our pizza and pay for our skateboard stuff and whatnot. And, if someone had told me at 18, right, like, yo, Shamari, in 2 years, there's going to be this thing called the internet. And there's going to be this thing called, computers, and it's going to blow up. So take all your little money that you made and, buy some of this thing. It's called Microsoft, right? I mean, I would have laughed at you. But I mean, depending on who you were, I might have listened, right? And that's what's going on now. Listen to me, kids. Screw your parents. Listen to me, kids. Take your money. That paycheck you have, take 30% of it and buy cryptocurrencies. Every single paycheck. That's it. Invest in yourself. I mean, I'm just saying that. Like I said, I'm not telling you what to buy, so, you can't blame me and be like, oh, you telling me what to buy? No. If someone had told me, though, Shamari, man, invest in yourself, because, what was I? I was 18, and then, boom, this whole internet thing happened. Everyone's making money. I mean, it was so crazy. And now, let's get back to everybody. Baby boomers, you remember baby boomers. And Generation Xers, you remember your parents, how they were laughing. You remember. So that's what we're in. We're the ones now. Like, we're the adults now with the money, right? So it's our turn to, get rich. All right, so invest in these things. Look at these as investments, okay? Don't try to trade them. Man, my hand is blocking my angel of death over here. It's my sweetie. All right. Anything else then? So, yeah, remember, it's all because of South Korea. And invest now. And I'll tell you the truth. What I'm doing right now in these markets, all right, here's a little investment advice of what I'm doing in terms of this market. I'm buying and holding. And what I'm doing is any company, any of these blockchain companies that are actually partnered with a major corporation. Well, which ones are partnered? I know, but if I told you that, then it would look like as if I was trying to make you buy something. So I'm not going to do that. Like, I'm not going to tell you what to buy, but just all I'm doing is every single one of these I look at and I say, who are they partnered with? If anyone, right? Like, if anyone, who are they partnered with? And if they're partnered with any major corporation or multinational corporation, any government, just saying, any government, Chinese government, buddy. When the Chinese say they're taking you, I mean, they're communists. They don't play games. But any government, or major institution, that's what I'm taking. So that's what my investment strategy is. And like I said, guys, right now, the hedge fund guys, the ETF guys, the mutual fund guys, they're all coming in here, right? They're all making applications to the SEC right now to start funds. That's the big money. That's the 1% money. And I mean, that's not just millions like us, but the billions with the B. You know what I mean? The billionaires are coming to town. And once they step up to the mic, the party's on, right? This stuff is going to fly, people. So that's happening at the end of 2018, going into 2019. So what we're doing right now, or at least what I'm doing now, I'm positioning myself. It's called positioning. I have built a portfolio, and I'm building a portfolio so that when the boom happens, I believe that the companies that I'm invested in are going to last through this Internet 2.0 revolution, right? Obviously, not all of them will. I mean, I probably picked a few bums in there, right? But we'll see. But the point is that I'm building the portfolio now, so that by next year, when the money starts flowing in, hold on a second, let's get to this window. So as they drive up the prices, as the big money comes in, prices will rise. And as the prices rise, right, we're already in, right? So, our holdings will rise. Your holdings are going to rise. And so that's why the getting in of now is so important, so that your holdings rise as the big money, when it comes in next year and the year after, pushes you up. Okay, and so, so like I said, it's 5:57 a.m. here. I'm just, let's check this out again. Yeah, just actively trading here. It's taking down the Australian dollar against the yen. As you can see, the yen's kicking some ass. That means that it's the GBP down against the dollar, the Canadian dollar against the dollar, against the yen. So it means the yen is up. And so, bang, took that down. But anyway, just guys, yeah. I just thought I'd make this video. Oh, okay. Hold on. Well, let's talk about the stock market then. Yeah. All right. Why is the stock market down, Ishmael? Well, because interest rates are going to rise. Look, Janet Yellen's talking about raising interest rates. I mean, this is more economic stuff. I'm pretty sure you're not going to understand, but just we were going through this thing called QE, quantitative easing, after the housing crash, and so basically QE's over and we're raising interest rates, and so with the raising the interest rate, the dollar's going to go up, but our inflation is still pretty low, and we need around 2%, and they're raising early, and so that's throwing the markets off. And with the interest rates going up like that too as well, it's like, well, why put risk on? So why put risk on in the stock market when I could just buy a bond and get a guaranteed, 4% return on my investment, right? So it's definitely a risk off day today. Look at that, guys. Google that. Risk on, risk off. Today was a woohoo, big time risk off day. And that's why I did this. When it's risk off, that means you buy Japanese yen and you buy dollars and Swiss francs. That's just some market knowledge, but that's just how it works, guys. And so that's why I'm thrashing the market right now, making so much money right here, because, it's risk off. So everyone's pooping their pants and they're buying yen. So obviously I bought some yen against the pound and the dollar, the Australian dollar. But yeah, see, so that's how I work. That's how I roll. I'm just here. That's how it is, guys. I really just do sit around just researching, making money and stuff. And so I'm just showing you that, not to show off, man, but just to show you, at least you're talking to someone who, trades and stuff, like actually, makes money, like not just, I don't know, like has a buddy who told him something and he I don't know, just, puts it on like, tries to act authoritative about things, and he's never done anything really. There it is, that's the truth. I do it. Anyways, though, and anyway, yeah, and if you are trading Forex, I mean, come on, risk off, buddy. Flight to safety tonight. But anyway, so okay, guys, nice talking to you. This has been another Shamari Clark series of information. Over and out. Make that money, guys. Make that money. Don't be afraid. Buy, buy, buy. This is a buying opportunity. This is a buying opportunity. You'll be so happy that you invested in yourself. Now, please subscribe below. Like the videos. Email me. Text me. Whatever you want. I want to build a community here. I'm not some, like YouTube guru or something. No, I'm just a guy, Shamari. I want to build a community. Subscribe below, please, and keep following the videos. I hope you learned something. And until next time, goodbye.